The mission of the Edward Hospital Care Center is to provide medical services for children who may have been sexually abused. So a lot of people think of the forensic aspect, like collecting evidence or doing DNA swabs, or they think of the medical part of it where we diagnose or treat medical conditions, but it's a lot more than that. And what we really aim to do above all of that is to restore a sense of dignity and well-being to children and their families. When I first took over the care center, one of my biggest goals was to minimize the trauma of an exam. But what I soon realized was that the exam doesn't have to be traumatic. It can actually be really therapeutic and beneficial for a child and their family. A lot of kids come in feeling really negative about themselves. They just feel ugly or dirty in some way, and they feel really horrible about their bodies and about their own spirits. And so we try to give them their first step towards healing. It takes a huge community and a lot of involvement from all different branches to take care of kids who may have been sexually abused. It's not just the medical portion. We work with mental health professionals, caseworkers, law enforcement, state's attorneys' offices, and all of that comes together under one umbrella to try to help kids and their families. It also takes a huge amount of non-professional involvement. So these are all the professionals involved in child abuse, but we need a huge amount of support from everyone else in the community, and that's where the Exchange Club has helped us a huge amount. Edward Hospital hosts the clinic, but the Exchange Club has supported us for as long as I've been the director, and even before that. Without it, we wouldn't exist, and we wouldn't be able to provide this service. I'm really proud of the kids who come into our center, because these are kids who have had the courage to step up and speak about something that normally is a secret. Most of sexual abuse in this country and the world just never gets reported. 1 in 3 women will be abused, 1 in 5 to 8 men will be abused somewhere in their lifetime, and half of those abusive events will occur in childhood. But when I meet kids and I hear their stories, it touches me in a way that I never anticipated happening. So I thank the Exchange Club so much for making this possible. If it weren't for them, the care center wouldn't exist. And this community is so much better for it.